Hi guys, so I actually got to, so this is like my Airbnb tour. So I basically decided to book myself an intercity escape, as I like to call it. So this is, I'm in Cape Town, so I booked an Airbnb for 3 days, 3 nights, whatever. Just, you know, to rest, to feel. Ain't nothing to it though. It was just like a little getaway just to, you know, reconnect with myself. So I'm gonna give you guys a quick tour. So it's a very beautiful Airbnb, and I'll make sure to include the link down below in the description box somewhere. And so you do keep a lookout for that. So let's get straight into the tour. So I'm gonna start from the door, and like I said, I arrived here yesterday. So today's Friday. I arrived here on Thursday, the 29th of July. So this is obviously the next day because I got here in the evening, so it was a bit dark when I tried to film the Airbnb tour. So I thought I'd just do it today, the next day, because everything is light and bright. There's a lot of sunshine coming in. So let's get straight into this video. So this is coming from the lift, and this is the door. Open sesame, welcome. So as you walk in, you basically come across the kitchen area, which has basically got like this beautiful herringbone tile at the back, and also I love this yellow cabinet situation going on there. I also love that backsplash, that green color, and it's got like a glass covering over it, which obviously means that you get to protect your wall, wipe over any residue that is left from your cooking. And I've got dishes over there because I just made something to eat. So this is literally the dining area. Let me just move back for you guys. So this is literally the dining area, and as you can see, there's a balcony on the outside. There's a door that leads into the balcony. I think they call these French doors. I don't know if I'm right, but anyway, if anybody knows it, please leave a comment down below. So that is literally this tiny little balcony, which is actually just perfect for the space. Lets some nice air in and some light in, as well as you can see the nice beautiful windows that also bring in a lot of light. They've got some also just like some beautiful light just above the kitchen counter. What I also love about this particular apartment, guys, is the amazing high ceilings. You can't see from here, but like it's literally just beautiful high walls, high ceilings. It just makes the room even bigger than it actually is. And so yeah, so this is basically the kitchen, just another round for the kitchen. Let me give you guys a different angle. So moving from the kitchen, you basically get these the balcony doors, as I've mentioned, and then we come into the balcony, and then we come into the living area. Love that accent wall over there with like that wooden effect at the back. I would have probably put the TV, if this was my apartment, obviously my place, I probably would have put the TV on that like section over there. But I mean, I think it still works with that little TV unit over there. Love this large and in charge ottoman over here. Again, like all in the details, you guys. How gorgeous is that? So beautiful, so gorgeous. And those are just like my art supplies because I bought some paint to just like spend some time painting. I've really gotten into it. It actually relaxes me so much. Comment down below, let me know what you guys do to relax. So I've just gotten into painting, and so that is literally the balcony. So let us see what is happening on the outside world. Okay, it's very tight in here, so I won't be able to use this tripod in here, so this footage might be a little bit shaky. But look at the beauty of the city, the view, the buildings, just like the ambience, the noise, everything is just like so amazing. Straight into the bedroom. So going into the bedroom, you've got like this beautiful sliding door, which is actually quite long. It's actually the biggest door I've ever seen. So this basically just slides in and out, which basically creates separation between the dining room and also the bedroom. So you have a little bit of privacy. So let's go straight into the bedroom. That's the king bed that I was telling you guys about. Beautiful lamp in the corner over here, art everywhere on the walls, and the little what do they call them, lazy boy kind of chair right next to the bed. And then what's really a great touch here is that they've got like a desk in the room. Another book that I recently got by another lady that I follow on Instagram. She's an actual therapist called Nidra Glover Tawab. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. So I bought this at Take Lot, and then like I said, this one at Kafta Book. If anybody's interested, I'll link the bookshop where I got this down below in the description, and then I'll obviously link. You guys should follow this lady on Instagram. She's amazing. She's got like really amazing sort of real life advice and stuff like that. A cupboard space here, literally enough cupboard space to basically fit all your clothes. So I've never been that person actually that would unpack anything before when I was like on a holiday or a weekend away or something. But I actually find that you're able to find things a lot easier when you do things like this, and then you just kind of just see, okay, cool, what am I wearing for the day, etc, etc. So I think I'm going to basically be doing this going forward continuously. Now this is basically the bedroom. This is basically the bathroom. This bathroom, guys, is so spacious. Like, it is so big. The bathtub is amazing. Absolutely love it. Not obsessed with the cobblestone effect thing. I think they could have used a more modern tile, but I mean, that's just my opinion. I'm not saying that what they did is not it, but for me, preferably like my style, I would have chosen a completely different tile. While the other, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you get notified every time I post a video. Okay, cool. Let's go straight into the bathroom, guys. So this is the bathroom. As you can see, obviously like a basic basin. I don't know why this door is not opening. A basic basin, wow. And that's me over there in the mirror. They've got like a washing machine, guys, and a dryer just behind the door. Wow, this is gonna be the worst. Okay, it's a bit dark here, so I think that's why it's not, and there's like a window over there, just to let some air in, but there's nothing to see, literally nothing else to see there. And then there's a sink over there, and then the toilet, and then we go to this massive bathtub over here, and there's also a shower on next to the bath, and then another shower handle thing inside the actual bathtub. This is basically what it looks like. Can you guys tell? Like, I don't know. Comment down below, let me know if you're in love with the whole black and white cobblestone vibes. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching this vlog, this Airbnb tour. I hope you guys enjoy this, and I mean, I don't do much vlogs on my channel, but I mean, whenever there's like an opportunity to see a beautiful space, then trust that your girl will do that. If I go into an Airbnb that's really, really beautiful. And please don't forget to subscribe and press the notification bell every time. Press the notification bell so that you get notified every time I post a video. I love you guys so much.